So, this is a Saturday night. There's two raccoons on the top up there. I don't know if you could see them. But the frogs are going at it. I just finished, I painted these little bitty switches. I was going to order some, but they wanted too much money for that. I just couldn't see doing that. I had some black paint, so I painted it. Looks real good. I painted this, mounted this in as the vent for the heater. And I just put these switches in as well. Really starting to come together. No final details. And I just finished moving these lines. I put them up here to try to get everything nice and neat. So I'm gonna put the other two drawers in and probably call it a day. So what we're gonna do right now is we got a whole bunch of replacement lights, some new light fixtures. We're gonna change out these old ones. They're not putting out as much light as what we're used to with our old motorhome that we had. So what we did was we upgraded to these LEDs. Shouldn't be too hard. We're gonna take the cover off and we're just gonna unscrew. So my lights off. This is 12 volt. 12 volts not going to shock you, so you don't need to turn off the electricity for it, but it would ground out and can mess some things up. So we're going to cut this. We're going to cut this one. It's out the way. And I'm going to strip off a little bitty edge. The package comes with the necessary hardware. We got some screws and we got some wire nuts. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get out the two wire nuts. I'm gonna have my assistant Bella hold on to the screws right now. So red to positive. Red to yellow. And we're gonna do black to white. And we're gonna do a simple test. We got light.
They still got the plastic on them though, so
I'm taking it off. And I'm gonna take this off. And then we're gonna put this up. So in order to put it up, we gotta take these covers off. So we're gonna tuck this into the ceiling. focus too good and like that. So I didn't put it too tight. I just screwed it tight enough, but not too tight. So we'll put the ceiling light on. And I need the lens covers, please. These came with a protective film. There we go. Done. Turn it on again. So up for debate is this one light that we have left to change. All the other lights inside, Bella and I have changed them. So we don't know if we want to change this one to LED or not. Let's look at what it looks like. I'm gonna show you. So we're taking the Jeep out today. We got it's a nice day, so I took the windows and the upper panels off, and we're gonna go ahead and go right around the neighborhood for a little bit, and we're gonna try to hit Target up.
Okay, so this is the kind of, I want you to look, this is the kind of stuff, colors that I want in there.
Oh, you got 3 minutes, Charlotte.
I don't want this. We're probably gonna have to get it online. Look, these are nice. Spray my hands. I'll tell
Yeah,
you.
too many people in this place.
There was nothing in there. Wait till you get into Target.
Yeah, I didn't like that.
Hey, doing good.
Yeah.
The tour is coming because I'm gonna tell you right now, we a little bit in the future compared to the videos he has up already.
Yeah.
But this camper is campable.
So
we
what-
just got details coming.
Yeah. What I'm gonna start showing you is our shower.
We decided to tile it. We had a lot of side eye with this. So
But higher end motorhomes use this stuff.
correct. So that
So
was our mentality.
We found the products that higher end motorhomes
The guy
use.
that does it, the
And he's-
professional.
Yeah, Jarrod Abadie, and you're gonna see him again in a little bit right here. And again,
We trusted him. He's done it before.
yeah,
It made total sense. Oh, we didn't just trust him. We research as we do everything else.
it's beautiful. By the
Are
way,
you going to talk about in the video how it's set up as to why we believe
Yeah, I'll
it's
do that.
wonderful?
I'll do that next week.
Okay.
If you're new to the channel, hope you like the content. We're gonna be bringing you on journeys with us to campgrounds. We're gonna go and eat places.
Yeah, we some foodies.
We still have a lot to finish up in the
We're gonna
the
be making
motorhome.
we're gonna be making changes here and there.
But like, comment,
We like to
And
talk to you
subscribe.
guys. Yeah, give us some
yeah,
comments.
do that. Hey. Chill, bruh.
Yeah. What's up, bruh?
How you doing, man?
Doing well. Doing good, bruh.
Oh, you getting it, huh?
Yeah, bruh.
He's good.
I got all the plumbing pretty much done. The drain's all complete.